started the work of the crib in October. The planning started in October, but we could not start the actual work because it was raining a lot, and then father also was busy with his old Goa work, the carriage work. So we actually started in the month of December after the rain stopped. The work is divided into 7 wards. 7 wards, and still sector wise also. Each sector is given about 3 scenes. Like for example, our ward, our sector, that is Hapot, is given 3 scenes. We start with the creation. The first scene is given to Gonsua. They are doing about the creation. So then we have about slavery in Egypt, and we have the dialogue between Pharaoh and Moses, and then the scenes continue. The history of salvation is there. Then we have the crib, the birth of Jesus. Then we have about the saints, the various saints. Actually, it is why Jesus is come to this earth, why God sent Jesus into this world. It is all for the salvation of mankind. Jesus came for the salvation of mankind. Now this crib that we are doing is not only all the parishioners are involved. The young, the old, the men, women, everybody is involved. Even the children. The youth are given separate work. They are mainly they are given 3 scenes, that is about the death, resurrection and the ascension. And today especially they will be doing that work in 2 hours only. And besides that, they are doing the decoration. And besides this, we also we have the cultural activity, that is we have the dance. For all the people who are coming to see the crib, they are not only going to see the crib, but they will be also watching, they will be entertained by the cultural program, like there will be a dance. And we are also thinking of putting carols. Then besides that, now see, so many people are coming. Last year, this crib we are doing for this is the 4th year. We've been receiving thousands of people, and these people are so generous. Now many people say, how you all meet the expenses, because it's a big crib. How you all meet the expenses? The expenses are borne. I mean, it's covered up by the people. The people give a lot of money. That means they donate. We have Christmas hampers, so by which we collect some money. And also when they go through the crib, they see the crib and then they put some money, and with that we meet the expenses of the crib. Such a nice thing that we are having a crib. A lot of people learn. Like last year we did about the saints. This year it is the whole Bible which is involved in this crib. So if you see the crib, there is no need to read the Bible actually. They will learn. And we as Catholics, we are supposed to know the Bible. But many times we only read and we don't know. So here when they see, visualize the thing, they learn better. They take it. And it's not only the Catholics who come to see this crib. People of all faiths, Catholics, then Hindus, Muslims, all of them come to see. And the whole crib is a community work.
I'm Constancio Francisco Miranda, moderator of Bethalbati Parish Pastoral Council. Now this year we are putting up a crib, same as last year. Last 3 years we have been doing it, and this year it is a Golden Jubilee year. It is 2025 since Jesus was born. So our parish council put up this proposal to the parish priest. We'll have it this year also, since it is 2025 since Jesus was born. And we had many meetings. We came together, we discussed, we had holy hours, we had meetings, and it is like faith building. And whatever this crib, what we are putting, it is a community activity. That is, we have 7 wards of the village. Parishioners of all the 7 wards, they come together. Not only the Catholics, but other people of other religion also are involved in it. So that is why I said it is a communitarian activity. Now the scenes we are putting here is the Bible scenes, Bible through scenes, and this year the topic is mainly salvation. Why Jesus came in this world, or why God sent Jesus in this world. God sent Jesus because of the salvation of the human beings. And this time we are putting up the crib based on salvation. People will be able to walk through the crib and they will learn a lot. It is not only a show off, but it is faith building. People will building faith of the people, and they will learn a lot from the Bible. Around more than 1 lakh people visited our crib, and whatever they put in the box, no force, but whatever they put in the box, that is used to meet the expenditures involved.